Good morning, everyone, and you are warmly welcome to today's quiz. This quiz is organized by Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by KNUST e-learning. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST. Thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provided to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it exciting and hands-on. To our other sponsors, Ghana Greek Company Limited, GRECO. We provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. Kesbin TV, thank you to Kesbin TV, our media partners, for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitments to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. We appreciate the heads of schools for allowing their students to partake in this competition. We appreciate our hard-working teachers for preparing the students for this competition. We also appreciate especially our students for representing their schools and availing themselves to partake in this competition. Well done. My name is Dr. Amalabi from the Department of Biochemistry and Biotechnology. I will be your quiz mistress for this contest. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlining the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from early stages in life. Before we continue with our quiz, I would like to introduce our contesting schools. Competing in this contest, we have University JHS Albert K. Brown School. We also have Purdue MAA Basic School. And we also have University JHS Yatel Kubin School. We are going on break and will resume shortly. Thank you. Welcome back from that short break. We are at the stage where we introduce our contestants. Before we went on break, I mentioned my name, but I just want to repeat it so that you know who is moderating today. My name is Dr. Ama Labi. Representing University JHS Albert K. Brown School is
Jsmq, Basic 9.
Yamiche Elliot Nieku, Basic 9.
Welcome. Pedu MA Basic School is represented by
Julius Magminata, Basic 9.
Benedicta Isuman, Basic 9.
Welcome. University JHS Yatel Kubin School is represented by
Najiba Sungnamasli Manatia.
Mikaya Yawabre, Basic 9.
You are all welcome. Now I want us to do a pre-buzzer test. I want us to test our buzzers. Can we hear the sound from the buzzer for University JHS Albert K. Brown? Pedu MAA Basic School. University JHS Yatel Kubin. Thank you so much. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is called Fundamentals. Round 2 is Fastest Finger, Fastest Brain. Round 3 is Science and Technology Challenge. Round 4, Decoding the Clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. We are now starting the competition. Round 1, Fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions are open to the other 2 schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failing to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question nullifies your answer. Thus, no point is scored even if you are right. Best wishes to all competing schools. The first question. This is a preamble to all schools, so everyone should pay attention. State 1 component of human blood and give 1 main function of the blood component. State 1 component of human blood and give 1 main function of the blood component. University JHS Albert K. Brown.
Platelets or thrombocytes for clotting.
Correct. Can you repeat the function again?
It's for blood clotting. That's thrombocytes or platelets.
That is correct. Pedu MA.
The red blood cells, and they transport oxygen throughout the body.
That is correct. University JHS Yatel Kubin.
The white blood cells or leukocytes, and they are responsible for protecting the body against foreign invaders or diseases.
That is correct. Another preamble for all schools. A student is helping a class teacher organize and analyze students' exam scores using Excel. The student was instructed by the teacher to use keyboard shortcuts to enter, format, and navigate the worksheet efficiently. Provide the correct shortcut for each of the following tasks. Pedu MA Basic School. To insert a new worksheet to add scores for another class.
Control plus D.
Incorrect. Try again. University JHS Yatel.
Control N.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Shift plus F11. University JHS Yatel Kubin. Your question. To move to the next line within the same cell while entering comments.
The enter key is used.
Try again. University JHS Albert.
The arrow keys.
That is incorrect. University JHS Albert K. Brown, your main question. To find the name of a student in the worksheet.
Control plus F.
That is correct. Another preamble to all schools. State one industrial application of each of the following methods of separation. University JHS Yatel Kubin. Crystallization.
Crystallization is used in obtaining salt from seawater.
That is correct. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Fractional distillation.
For separating the components of crude oil.
That is correct. Pedu MAA Basic School. Filtration.
For pure water or
Okay, water treatment. So I will give you half for that, okay? Okay. 1 point for you. 1 point. Another preamble to all schools. Calculate the following. You have 40 seconds. University JHS Albert K. Brown. A person walks at 5 kilometers per hour on a moving walkway that moves at 3 kilometers per hour in the same direction. What is the person's speed relative to the ground?
$15 meters per second.
Try again.
$2 meters per second.
That is incorrect. Pedu MA bonus.
2 kilometers.
I didn't hear you. Could you repeat yourself?
2 kilometers per hour.
That is incorrect. The correct answer is 8 kilometers per hour. Pedu MA, your main question. 2 trains are moving on parallel tracks in opposite directions. One train is moving at 90 kilometers per hour and the other at 70 kilometers per hour. What is the velocity of the first train relative to the second?
Ten kilometers per hour.
Incorrect. Try again.
160 kilometers per hour.
That is correct. 160 is correct. University JHS Yatel Kubin. An airplane is flying at 250 kilometers per hour due east. A wind is blowing from the east at 50 kilometers per hour. What is the velocity of the airplane relative to the ground?
300 kilometers per hour.
Try again.
$200 kilometers per hour.
That is correct. Pedu MA. A class has boys and girls in the ratio 4:3. If there are 28 students in total, how many are boys and how many are girls?
So there are 16 boys and 12 girls.
That is correct. University JHS Yatel Kubin. A car travels 180 kilometers in 3 hours. How far will it travel in 5 hours if it continues at the same speed?
300 kilometers per hour.
300 kilometers is correct. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Paint is mixed in the ratio 2 parts red to 3 parts white. If 15 liters of paint are needed, how many liters of each color should be used?
Six is to 9.
6 liters red, 9 liters white. That is correct. Another preamble. Okay. So. Okay. 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 So I have a few things to say. University JHS Albert K. Brown, you got 6 and 9 correct, but you didn't tell me which one was for red, which one was for white. And also University JHS Yatel Kubin, when you were telling me the answer, you said 300 kilometers per hour, even though the answer was 300 kilometers. So those two I will cancel and we'll do other ones. So now listen to this preamble so that we continue. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. University JHS Yatel Kuben. Unauthorized attempts to access your system can be blocked using a firewall.
True.
That is correct. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Phishing is a technique used by hackers to speed up internet browsing.
False.
That is correct. Purdue MA. Hackers always need physical access to a computer to steal data.
False.
That is correct. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Transpiration is the release of water vapor from oceans. Your microphone is not working. I could not hear you. Can you check your microphone again?
False.
False is correct. Purdue MA. Groundwater cannot return to the surface once it infiltrates the soil.
False.
That is correct. University JHS Yatel Kubin. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas.
True.
That is correct. On that glorious note, we come to the end of round 1. You are all welcome back. So, at the end of round 1, these are the scores. But before I read the scores, the questions that the unit was not correct and then the red and white was not mentioned, I'm giving you 2 marks each. So, at the end of round 1, University JHS Albert K. Brown has 17 marks. Pedu MAB Basic has 16 points. University JHS Yatel Kubin has 17 points. We still acknowledge all our sponsors for making this program a success and making it possible. We also continue to thank our head of schools and you contestants for taking part. We are now in round 2, fastest brain, fastest finger. 1 question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, the contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer the question. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all of you. Let us do a buzzer test. Pedu MA. University JHS Yatel Kubin. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Thank you. Now the questions are as follows. Listen carefully. All the best to all schools. A vendor gets paid 25% commission on sales. How much does he make on 880 Ghana cedi? University JHS Yatel.
220 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. Which type of wave is sound? Yatel. University JHS Yatel. The other 2 schools. Longitudinal wave is the correct answer. The number of hydrogen atom present in a molecule of water is University JHS Yatel.
2 hydrogen atoms.
2 is correct. A teacher wants to prepare a class timetable using Excel. Which feature should be used to highlight the weekend? University JHS Yatel.
Conditional formatting.
That is correct. The set of observable or physical characteristics of an organism Yes, University JHS Yatel.
Phenotype.
Phenotype is correct. Animals that chew their cud are called Pedu.
Ruminant.
Ruminant is correct. A bus travels 180 kilometers at 60 kilometers per hour. How long does it take? University JHS Yatel.
3 hours.
3 hours is correct. What is the magnitude of vector 9 and 12? University JHS Yatel. The other, Pedu.
25 units.
Incorrect. Albert K. Brown. Okay, 15 units is the correct answer. And on that note, we come to the end of fastest finger and fastest round. Congratulations to all competing schools. We would still like to acknowledge KNUST, especially the College of Science and Engineering, in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies, Edrich GH. We acknowledge KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, DEX Technologies, GradeCo, MTN stakeholders, Nestle Ghana. We also acknowledge Kesben TV. We really appreciate all your support. At the end of round 2, University JHS Albert K. Brown has 0 points. Pedu MA B Basic has 3 points. University JHS Yatel Kuben has 18 points. So the total scores at the end of round 2 is this. University JHS Albert K. Brown, 17 points. Pedu MA Basic, 19 points. University JHS Yatel Kuben, 35 points. Well done to all of you. We are at round 3. Our Science and Technology Challenge. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the DEX Science Set. Contestants, you have been provided with a 9-volt battery, 2 resistors labeled R1 and R2, a transistor labeled EBC, 2 LEDs labeled L1 and L2, and a switch labeled K. You are to construct a circuit with the components in the diagram. And then after that, you are to press and push button and observe what happens to both LEDs. Related task questions are, what are your observations in task 1 and 2? And account for your observations in task 1 and 2. All the best to all competing schools. 4 minutes to go. Pardon, I did not hear what you said actually. Time is up. Well done, contestants. Time up. Don't touch anything again. Time up. Welcome back. Well done to our contestants. So for round 3, we expected you to actually construct the circuit, and after that, you were expected to know that lead D1 stays off, but lead D2 turns on. And then when you are doing your second task, both LEDs turn on. In 3, in loop 1, where we have the battery to lead D1, the switch B opens the circuit, so no current flows. Hence, D1 is off, but in the second loop, from the battery to D2, there is a closed circuit, hence the LED turns on. And the fourth one, when the button is pressed, loop 1 and 2 have closed circuits, so current flows through the entire circuit, hence both LEDs turn on. So for your task, University JHS Albert K. Brown, you were able to do some part of the question 1, but you did not produce the task for the solutions for task 2. Therefore, you get 3 out of 10 for the entire work. Pedu MA Basic School, you were able to do every task and give the correct observations. So you get 10 out of 10. University JHS Yatel Kubin, you also were not able to provide the solutions for task 2, and you could not give the required answers for the other task. So you get 3 out of 10. So the scores at the end of round 3, the total scores. University JHS Albert K. Brown, you have 20 points. Pedu MAB Basic, you have 29 points. University JHS Yatel Kubin, you have 38 points. We still thank our sponsors for making this program possible. We thank Gradeco, MTN, Nestle Ghana, KNUST, e-learning, and IDL, Kesbin TV, our media partners. We are grateful to all of you. Thank you, heads of schools. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, contestants. We are now at our final round. Round 4. Before we go to round 4, there is a substitution. University JHS Yatel Kubin, James Kwame is going out and David Parkour is coming in. Let us allow that substitution. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So the substitution was rather for Albert K. Brown. Now round 4. This round is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points will be awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points will be awarded. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, 3 points. Contestants are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from that question. and nullifies your answer, even if it is correct. All the best to all contestant schools. Now listen attentively. You can do a quick buzzer check. University JHS Yatel Kubin. University JHS Albert K. Brown. Pedu. Yatel Kubin, let me hear your buzzer. Thank you. Now everybody's buzzer has sounded. Listen attentively. I am the fluid tissue that circulates throughout the body. Yatel.
Blood.
That is correct. Second question. I am a special. We have to go on a short break. We'll be back shortly. Welcome back. Second question. I am a special type of diffusion involving water. Yatel.
Osmosis.
Osmosis is correct. Third question. I am when two sets have no membranes in common. Yatel.
Disjoint sets.
That is correct. Fourth question. I am not solid, but I'm not always seen. I move freely, but I'm held by walls unseen. I fill the space, yet University JHS Albert. What did you say, please?
It's a tech as.
I cannot hear your answer. Can you say it loudly and clearly?
Cars.
I fill the space, yet Pedro.
Electrons.
I fill the space. Yatel, did you also ring your bell? Go ahead. They didn't. You rang your bell, so kindly answer. If not, we move on and cancel it. Okay, so we cancel it. The correct answer is A. And on that note, we will come to the end of the entire competition. Congratulations to each and every one of you. You have done very well. Before I bring you the scores, thank you, KNUST, in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, Dex Technologies, and Edric Ghana. We appreciate and acknowledge you. We also appreciate KNUST E-Learning Center, KNUST IDL. We appreciate Great Co. We appreciate Nestle. We appreciate every sponsor, Kesben TV. This would not have been possible if you had not all contributed. Heads of institution, we appreciate you. We also appreciate the teachers who prepared the students. Contestants, well done. You have done well, you have stood, you have defended your schools, and have answered brilliantly. No matter the results, know that this is just the beginning, stepping stone for higher things to come for you. Well done to each and every school. At the end of round 4, University JHS Albert K. Brown had 0 points. Pedu MAB Basic had 0 points. University JHS Yatel Kubin had 18 points. On that note, at the end of this morning's competition, University JHS Albert K. Brown finishes with 20 points. Pedu MAB Basic finishes with 29 points. University JHS Yatel Kubin wins today's competition with 56 points. Well done, well done, well done. Well done to Pedu, well done to University JHS Albert K. Brown, well done to University JHS Yatel Kubin. Congratulations and see you again. On that note, we come to the end of the contest. Thank you very much.